is up, guys? So right now I'm playing Rules of Survival. If you notice, I'm using a cheat right now. That's because I'm really tired of all the cheaters and all the hackers in this game. I can't seem to get a chicken dinner for quite some time, like maybe for like a week. And that's when I found out that there's a rampant use of cheaters and hacking in this game. Like that, guys. I think he was a bot. So there's nothing right there. Another bot. You'll know it's a bot because they don't usually react. You don't jump around when you shoot at them. So, not like human players, when you shoot them, they just jump around. Okay, that's cool. Oh, sweet. Alright, got 3 kills. So the closest enemy is around 200 meters, that guy running. Now we just gotta wait. So right now those two guys 400 meters away are engaging. There's another guy 400 meters away, another one 300 meters, and another one who is around 400 meters. I think he knows where I am. I think he has a pretty good idea where I am right now. So he's right there. Gotcha. So as you can see, you have a really good advantage if you're using a hack or a cheat. You really don't stand a chance if you don't use one. So this takes the fun out of the game. So there's 10 of us left now, and neither one of us is moving. That guy ain't moving, and that guy is engaging someone or something. Oops, I'm not inside the circle anymore. So I'm just gonna try to avoid the other guys. I think he knows where I am. I think he's using a hack too, that guy. So if you're using a hack or a cheat, it's better to stay in one building. Shots fired at 210. That guy is currently engaging someone. I think he's shooting at me. Good There's 5 of us. There's 4 of us left. I mean 5 of us. Mano ka! Mano ka! Busit ya. May cheat man sa gali. Why niya imbot ito eh? Nako. What the hell? Nag-iiyom ako eh. Ay, fudge! Direct hit ba? This guy is definitely using an aimbot because I noticed that his shots are very deadly accurate. Like this one is getting closer, so I should get close too. He's not I think he's moving, or I'm moving. He's not moving. He ain't gonna move. We both know that I'm using cheat, he's using cheat, so he's not gonna move too. I don't know. Wait, let me get this guy's name. Player. So wait, oh, I thought it's gonna show up his name, the account name. So we ain't gonna move 500 meters. So I could rush him, but he knows I'm coming. That guy knows I'm coming too. I'm gonna try to get rid of this guy. Is he gone? What? He stole my kill! What the fudge? He stole my kill! The pussy jack of the kill, bro. The SOB stole my kill. Where did one go? Oh my. He knows I'm coming. He definitely knows I'm coming. You just have to lay down some. I just have to just shoot at him, I guess. Ay, di pusit! Well, so guys, thank you for watching the video. So that's how you win right now in Rules of Survival. So the guy is probably using aimbot. So I don't use aimbot, you know. I just like to lay down some shots. Oh my god. So guys, thank you for watching. So I hope you don't use cheat. It really ruins the game. So I hope every time you die, please report the hacker. Even if you think they're not using cheat, just keep reporting them, okay?